Think cracking your knuckles is harmless? Think again. That popping sound isn't your bones. It's gas bubbles exploding inside your joints. Each time you crack, tiny gas pockets collapse, and over time, it can weaken your grip strength and stretch your ligaments. Good news? Cracking doesn't directly cause arthritis. Bad news? It can still damage your joints if you overdo it. Some heavy knuckle crackers show signs of lower hand function compared to non-crackers. So next time you feel that urge, maybe hold back. Your hands will thank you later.